Hello and welcome to today's video. Firstly, thank you very much to Young Minds Tutoring for partnering with me on this video. So today we are having a look at number print in the home. So by that I mean the numbers that are in your home that you might not even recognise that you use daily. So the first thing that we're going to have a look at is the concept of mass and weight. So I've got here some scales, kitchen scales. Let's focus on them. They go up to 1 kilogram, as it says up here, but the numbers that you're looking at are on the scale. So we've got things like 500 grams, we've got 400, 250, and you can start talking about these higher numbers with your child or even with your class. The next thing is we've got the mass or weight of, say, cereal in this case. So here we have a box of cereal, and you can see where are we? Here, that the cereal is 750 grams. You could start to weigh the cereal as well on using your scales if you have any. Here we go. Okay. We can also look at concepts of measurement, so again the scales, or we can look at these headphones here. So I've picked these up for my class and they've just fit in perfectly with today's video. So they've got a cable length of 1.1 meters and they use a 3.5 millimeter jack. So you've got concepts from meters all the way down to millimeters. You've got the decimal point is in there as well, so you can talk about both of those things. We've also got concepts of time as well. So here I have some oranges that have a best before date of the 25th of November, just up here. So you can talk about that with your child and you can have a look at when you need to eat these oranges by, when they're best before, not necessarily used by. So the child could eat them after that date, but they're not going to taste as nice. And the last one is concept of money as well. So here are some party invitations that I've bought, and they cost £1.29. Again, you can talk about the decimal place, you can talk about money, you can put the money into the child's hand and have them count up all the coins. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have used any of these concepts in the home, please let me know, comment on the video, like the video if you've enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel. That'd be brilliant. Cheers, thank you.